The Hitachi IH110 has the ability to count mixed money and give you a grand total and an itemized breakdown of what it's processing. It can face your money, putting the heads up. It can orient the money, putting those heads in the same direction, so all the money is cleaned up. It also sorts. So when it sorts, you can tell it what to sort. It will count that one specific bill down to the bottom and off-sort all your other bills into the reject bin. Or you can process, what it will do is it can also identify the first bill going through the machine, being a $1 bill in this case, and count that down to the bottom by scanning it. So you have two ways of sorting. Here on the mix mode, we're going to process all of our mixed money. As you see, I have money face up, face down, 10s, 20s, new hundreds. I got an old 100 in here. So pretty much the type of money you're going to be receiving and processing through here. So on the mix mode, we place in the hopper, counts it down to the stacker, rejects any counterfeit bills or poor quality bills, and will give us a grand total and an itemized breakdown of what is processed down below. So here we go. As you see, it's a very fast machine at 1,300 bills a minute. Here it processed 60 bills with a $330 value, and it gives an itemized breakdown of how much of each bill processed through. Any bills that are rejected here would have a number in the reject bin in which you'd be able to press, and it will give you a reason why those were rejected with a photo. So you can put those bills off to the side and continue your process. So now that we've gotten a grand total, we can now clean our money up for the sorting. We recommend counting the mix mode, getting a grand total, facing and orienting your bills, and then sorting. So here, by pressing the down arrow, we're going to display face. And here we will turn the heads utilizing the top and bottom stackers. So here we have all of our money faced heads up. We'll take the reject bin out, match the orientation from the bottom, and now we are all heads up. But as you see, these heads are in different directions. So we're going to run it through on an orientation feature, and we will now straighten all that up here. Orientation. So here we have all of our money oriented, faced and oriented. Again, we'll take the top, turn it to match the bottom, and now all of our money has been faced and oriented. Now that we're ready for sorting. The sorting feature is the SP mode. It scans the first bill going through the machine and counts that bill down to the bottom. In this case, it's going to be a $1 bill. And all the other 5s, 10s, 20s, and 100s will be rejected, and then we'll cycle through. So here we have 10 rejects. 50 bills have been counted down to the bottom, giving us a grand total of $50, 51s. All of our money is cleaned and ready for strapping or deposit. You can set a batching number or quantity while you sort. So it would stop at 100, it would stop at 50, whatever quantity you set it at, 200. When you remove those bills, that stack, the remaining balance will continue to count. So it can be automatic in that way, and then you would be strapping as it's counting its next batch. So here we're going to cycle through. We have all of our 20s, 10s, 100s, and 5s off sorted. The next bill down will be 5s. That will be counted down to the bottom. And all the other bills are rejected. So now we're cycling through here. So we have our pile of 5s. We go through again. Next bill going through is a 20. Took our 20s out. Took our 10s out. And our remaining are the 200s. So here we have counter mixed money, faced and oriented it to clean it up, and then sorted for each denomination. This is the IH110 made by Hitachi.